Well, hello everybody, my name is Minghui. For today, we're going to be talking about why sometimes recycling is so confusing to us. Well, probably in the world right now, currently, people are always thinking about the 3R: recycling, reusing, and reduce. But did you ever wondered why sometimes when you bring plastics, trash to a recycling center near your place, they say, I'm sorry, but we can't accept these to recycle? So today we're gonna be looking through it. Well, first, the reason why some plastic is unrecyclable. Well, the plastic is divided into two parts, and mainly it's in the thermal part, which means that it's only usable for 1 or 2 times and not more. So luckily, a lot of kind of plastics that you could find out, like inside plastic containers, plastic Lego blocks, can usually be melted and put into molds to create into new things. But what about the plastics in the plastic bags, the plastic bottles, and the plastic packagings? Well, sadly, a lot of them are unrecyclable due to the color dyeing, due to the dyeing on the pigments of it. Also, a lot of water bottles or a lot of packages have stamps or hard to remove stickers on it, making it easily to get rejected by recycling centers. And you could easily notice the fact that a lot of those plastic is have an signal just like this one or like this one here in the picture, and that's what we call the resin identification code. And sadly, a lot of people think that this means, yep, this kind of plastic is recyclable, and the friendly recycling signal here makes them think that the plastic they're holding that have the resin identification code on can be reused for the second time. But sadly, it's not what you think. The resin identification code is what we use to identify which is recyclable, which isn't, which is made out from what kind of resin, so that it could be easily recycled. Well, usually from the 1 to 2 marks on here means it is recyclable, usually is accepted. 3, 4, 5 is usually sometimes accepted, and 6 to 7 are usually rarely accepted or not recyclable at all. So you must identify that. Also, a lot of the resin identification code help us to understand about the product. Is it safe to put hot water in? Is it safe so that we could use to contain this or that? But what's the solution to the problem? First, we should promote more about these resin identification code so that people could actually understand more and wouldn't have any misunderstood. We also must reduce the amount of plastics that's only used for one time, ensuring that the plastics can be recycled for at least 2 times, and also create less plastic. So that is all for today's talk. Thank you for listening and goodbye. See you next time.